Hello everyone. This video is going to demonstrate how to create modules within your course on Canvas. Start by being at your dashboard and clicking on the course that you would like to create a module in. This is the home page I created. I have a video of previously that I made that shows you how to set this up. I want to point out that over here, modules are not visible at this time because there is no content created. And if you hover here, it says that no content, not visible to students. So in order to make that visible, we need to add a module. Go ahead and click on modules. This is the page that will appear. We will click this plus module in blue button, and we can create a module name. We're going to go ahead and add, since I already had this typed in, the week of October 19th, I'm just going to select it, or you could type it in. Week of October, October 19th. You could also do October 19th through can't type today, October 23rd, for example. I'm going to do the week of October 19th. So you have options as long as you're labeling it by the week that starts with that Monday. Okay, add the module. And then you can go ahead and start creating pages and assignments in here. So let's say on Monday we're starting a new unit. I'm going to go ahead and add a page. So I'm going to click here and go down to page, new page. And then I can title it Introduction to Waves. Okay, so that's going to have some introduction work, it's going to have some information, it's going to have a video, whatever you need. And then you can also add assignments from right here. So this plus sign up here where it says add, I can click on it to scroll down to assignment. I would then click on new assignment, title it, let's say measuring amplitude of waves, and I would click add. So now I need to add the information I need to these. So I can go to this page, Introduction to Waves. I'm going to edit, and I could insert a guiding question here. I could type in the learning target for the lesson, and then I would give instructions or information. I would add videos as you see fit. This is the stuff you've already been doing and creating. Okay, then you would scroll down and save and publish. We're going to go back into the module by clicking over here. I'm going to edit my measuring amplitude of wave assignment. Okay, I would give instructions here, add anything we need, change your due dates and such. These are things you've already been doing. We're going to save and publish this. Go back into modules. Okay, and I would continue adding things that I wanted for the week. Now we could be more specific, and we could even label the title for this, Introduction to Waves, Monday, October 19th, Measuring Amplitude of Waves, Tuesday, October 20th. Or you could add some headers, some text headers. You would do that by going to the plus sign here in the gray box where your module title is, going over here to where you add, and we're going to add a text header. So let's say we're going to add one for Monday, October 19th. Okay, now this is not new content or content for students to access. It's just a text header that says Monday, and you can move this to above what you want them to work on for Monday. We could add another one for Tuesday. Another text header, we could do Tuesday, October 20th. And we could add an item there. And we can move this above what we want them to do on Tuesday. I like the idea of this. It could get a bit long for the week. You do need to make sure they are published so students can see them. You could even highlight on these three buttons. What's going on here? Okay, click, and we could increase the indent. What's going on? Okay, sorry for that pause. We're going to try this again. You can hover on the three buttons. You can click on increase indent. Let's try this one. And then it moves the assignment in more to kind of give it more of an outline feature. I'm not sure why this won't work up here. Okay. Sorry that I'm trying to troubleshoot as I'm recording this. Again, you need to also make sure your module is published in order to be seen. So if we click this to publish it, I'm going to refresh the page. You'll notice then here that the eyeball with the cross out, meaning we can't see it, has gone away, and students can now see the modules that you published in the course. Let me know if you have any other questions. And again, to add another module for the next week, you just add the plus sign at the top and go through the same procedure.